President Emmerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe has conspicuously avoided engaging with Botswana's newly elected president, Duma Boko, opting to delegate Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to represent Zimbabwe at the 2024 Regional World Children's Day event in Victoria Falls. Sanambana mashuko anobuda akabatwa nokomuna mzimu ai vanozikana kuti vafambiri venhau aiwa mastreets not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipena vachiti Boko, who ended the 58-year rule of Botswana as the Botswana Democratic Party BDP in a historic electoral victory, has been at odds with the Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF. During Botswana's election campaign, ZANU-PF officials openly backed the BDP, providing strategic support while denouncing Boko's umbrella for democratic change (UDC) as an unsuitable alternative for governance. The fallout between the two leaders became evident last week when Mnangagwa attended Boko's inauguration in Botswana. The Zimbabwean leader was reportedly booed by sections of the audience, highlighting lingering animosities stemming from ZANU-PF's overt interference in Botswana's internal politics. On Saturday, Boko arrived in Victoria Falls for the regional children's event. It was received by Chiwenga in a move widely interpreted as a deliberate snub by Mnangagwa. The Botswana leader's presence was acknowledged by Zimbabwe's government spokesperson Nick Mangwana, who posted on social media. Leaders have started arriving in Victoria Falls for the 2024 Regional World Children's Day. The Zimbabwean ruling party framed Boko as a potential destabilizing force in the region, projecting its support for the BDP as a move to preserve political and economic stability in Southern Africa. Ndo mashiko anobuda togona kukomana vemzimu ai ava vachiprovida mapictures amuri kuona vachiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akaavoida kusangana awa naGideon Boko. Aiwa samungoziva kuti aiwa nhau yekuti aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF yasingatombodi kuti vanhu opposition naGideon Boko varule kana kuti vatonge, but otherwise vakomana vemunyika yeBotswana vakwanisa kuzvimiririra vakaoutsta the 58-year-old ruling party. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina kume section yedu, musama subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.